Hey there friends, ETPC here. I'm doing an unboxing on the HIGHBUY Cartoon Cats Duvet cover set. So this is kind of what we're looking at here. Comes in a nice little bag. It's pretty cool. So let's open up the zipper here and see what's inside. Never really used a duvet cover before. So it has instructions, washing instructions. And it comes with this nice little package here. Let's untie the bows, shall we? Okay. And basically we have our pillowcases and the duvet cover here along with a sheet. So I guess in a duvet, don't you stick like a cover in there or something, like a comforter inside this? Okay, yeah, it has a zipper right here. So basically it's like a pillowcase for your blankets, I'm guessing, and it's reversible. So you stick your other, like a comforter in here, and then instead of washing the comforter, you just wash this, I'm guessing. So there it is there, and it appears to be reversible. It's got little cats on one side and designs on the other. So this is from HIGHBUY, and basically there's the little covers there. It looks just like that. It's pretty much what we got there. So thanks for watching this unboxing, and we'll have a review later on.